It's tax season. You run a 24/7 assisted living facility or a busy clinic. You send your documents to your CPA, and a few weeks later, they hand you a massive stack of papers. They say, sign here and send this massive check to the IRS. You ask a few questions, they give you vague answers, and they say, see you next year. Your CPA successfully filed your return, but they told you absolutely nothing about how to optimize your Medicaid reimbursements, how to utilize cost segregation on your facility's real estate, or what structural changes you need to make. You are paying a professional, but your healthcare business is still completely in the dark. Welcome back. I'm Larry Davis, enrolled agent and founder of Tax Help. We serve healthcare owners across all 50 states, helping them with IRS compliance, accurate medical bookkeeping, and lower taxes. Today, I'm going to explain exactly why your current CPA is keeping your clinic financially stuck, and why just filing a return is no longer enough for a growing healthcare business. Why does your CPA stay silent? Because the traditional accounting industry is built on a volume-based factory model. They are historians. Their only job is to take your messy data, put it into the correct boxes on a government form, and move on to the next client. They use the exact same tax strategy for your multi-million-dollar healthcare facility as they do for the local restaurant down the street. They don't understand the massive difference between insurance payouts and actual cash flow. They don't explain what should change because their generic business model doesn't allow for deep, healthcare-specific financial strategy. You don't feel confused because you lack business skills. You feel confused because you do not have a tax and financial system you can trust. A trusted system doesn't just record history, it shapes your facility's future. It requires an advisor who sits down with you, understands your complex medical revenue streams, improves your cash flow, and actively implements advanced loopholes like cost segregation to reduce unnecessary taxes. You need specialized guidance, not just a signature. If your CPA files your return but never explains what should change to scale your clinic or ALF, you do not need another basic tax return. You need a complete review of your financial system. Schedule your tax, health tax, and financial health assessment today. We will review your specific healthcare situation to identify opportunities to gain financial clarity. Click the link in the description to book your assessment right now.